Vechain value equivalent to $0.0169 a coin. The present reach. $0.0165, $0.0169. The earlier day close. $0.0165. The change was plus 0.0004, plus 2.42%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to VET. Vechain value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Vechain cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $0.017. Most extreme cost $0.018, least cost $0.014. The normal for the month $0.016. Vechain cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.016, change for October 5.9%. VET United States dollars expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at $0.016. Most extreme cost $0.017, least cost $0.014. The normal for the month $0.016. Vechain cost estimate toward the month's end $0.015, change for November 6.3%. Vechain cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.015. Greatest cost $0.018, least cost $0.015. The normal for the month $0.016. Vechain cost figure toward the month's end $0.017, change for December 13.3%. VET United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.017. Most extreme cost $0.017, least cost $0.013. The normal for the month $0.015. Vechain cost figure toward the month's end $0.014, change for January 17.6%. Vechain cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at $0.014. Most extreme cost $0.014, least cost $0.012. The normal for the month $0.013. Vechain cost estimate toward the month's end $0.013, change for February 7.1%. VET United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at $0.013. Most extreme cost $0.014, least cost $0.012. The normal for the month $0.013. Vechain cost gauge toward the month's end $0.013, change for spring 0.0%. Vechain cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $0.013. Greatest cost $0.013, least cost $0.011. The normal for the month $0.012. Vechain cost gauge toward the month's end $0.012, change for April 7.7%. VET United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with cost at $0.012. Greatest cost $0.012, least cost $0.010. The normal for the month $0.011. Vechain cost estimate toward the month's end $0.011, change for May 8.3%. Vechain cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.011. Greatest cost $0.011, least cost $0.009. The normal for the month $0.010. Vechain cost figure toward the month's end $0.010, change for June 9.1%. VET United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Initially cost at $0.010. Most extreme cost $0.013, least cost $0.010. The normal for the month $0.011. Vechain cost estimate toward the month's end $0.012, change for July 20.0%. Vechain cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.012. Greatest cost $0.015, least cost $0.012. The normal for the month $0.013. Vechain cost gauge toward the month's end $0.014, change for August 16.7%. Vet United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.014. Greatest cost $0.014, least cost $0.011. The normal for the month $0.013. Vechain cost figure toward the month's end $0.012, change for September 14.3%. Vechain cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $0.012. Most extreme cost $0.012, least cost $0.009. The normal for the month $0.011. Vechain cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.010, change for October 16.7%. Vechain cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $0.006. Most extreme cost $0.006, least cost $0.005. The normal for the month $0.006. Vechain cost estimate toward the month's end $0.005, change for December 16.7%. Vet United States dollars expectations for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.005. Greatest cost $0.006, least cost $0.005. The normal for the month $0.006. Vechain cost gauge toward the month's end $0.006, change for January 20.0%. Vechain cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $0.006. Most extreme cost $0.006, least cost $0.006. The normal for the month $0.006. Vechain cost figure toward the month's end $0.006, change for February 0.0%. Vet United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. Initially cost at $0.006. Most extreme cost $0.006, least cost $0.005. The normal for the month $0.006. Vechain cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.005, change for spring 16.7%. Vechain cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at $0.005. Most extreme cost $0.005, least cost $0.004. The normal for the month $0.005. Vechain cost estimate toward the month's end $0.004, change for April 20.0%. Vet United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $0.0